Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood is going to see her grandmother. Mother packs fruits and cakes for her. She tells Little Red Riding Hood not to stop and talk to strangers. Little Red Riding Hood stops to pick flowers. A wolf talks to her. Little Red Riding Hood tells him that she is going to see her grandmother. The wolf runs to the grandmother's house. He locks grandmother and wears her clothes. When Little Red Riding Hood comes, she asks, "Grandmother, why do you have such big eyes, ears and teeth?" The wolf jumps at Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood screams. A woodcutter comes and saves Little Red Riding Hood.